We are Jera, a factory that produces cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of self-adjustable cable tie. The stainless steel tie was developed to fasten the overhead cable boxes and drop clamps. Product's key features. No special tools required for installation. One-piece design. Universal to storage at your maintenance site or warehouse. Rapid application and overhead installation. Key installation steps. Open the tie and place the steel band inside the bracket. Adjust the tie per pole diameter. Use ratchet mechanism to tighten the cable tie up to limit. Welcome to contact us to have more details about self-adjusting tie and related products.